Blunt Brothers Production have given us a special treat today. With the release of the new Venom movie Let There Be Carnage, Blunt Brothers have released Venom Zilla vs King Carnage, Godzilla vs Monkey Venom Special. This is gonna be absolutely insane. We're gonna have Godzilla and Monkey turn into Carnage and Venom. I mean, just the thought of that is like, wow. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and let's get on with this.
Okay, first off, this is not part 17, actually. This is basically a special. I just really wanted to make a video about the new Venom. Comment down below if you think this should be a real part of the series. Anyways, enjoy the video.
So there you go. They just explained that this is not part 17. So you guys watching this, don't think this is part 17. Part 17 will probably come maybe next week. I hope. Part unknown question mark. Oh, Venom there.
Let there be carnage.
Let there be carnage.
Gets ready to die.
Yeah, that's the spirit. Go get him.
No, I meant us. We're probably gonna die.
Oh, crap.
What is that?
That's gonna be Monkey and Godzilla. There we go. Oh, wow. This is gonna be absolutely
I
mad.
don't think I'll ever get used to doing that.
Oh, he's back. What is this? Flubber?
My kaiju senses are tingling. I got a bad feeling about this place. I think it would be better to just keep moving.
Well, now hold on a second. Just take a look around. It's nice and quiet, and no one's trying to kill us.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, come on! Can't we just stay here for... Huh? I think I just stepped in gum.
That is not gum.
The gum is eating me!
The gum is eating me.
Buddy? You okay?
Buddy, these two are best friends now. Uh-oh.
Honestly, I'm getting kind of numb to this stuff.
King Carnage. Wow.
Oh, no. No. Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, that is gross. Ooh. Ooh, he flipped his tongue. Oh. Okay, we see that. Uh-oh. Oh no, he's gonna turn into Venom.
Ah, nuts.
Ah, nuts. Oh. This is special now. Wow. Wow. That is a transformation and a half. Oh. Epic. This is so special. I love this. Wow, Kong is done, or shall I say Kong Carnage. Wow, he's got his axe. Damn. Wow, this is a battle. Go knock him out. What a punch. Okay, at least he's back to Monkey. Oh, wow. You see what's gonna happen? We're gonna have Venom Zilla into Carnage Zilla in one. That is looking beautiful. Who would have ever thought of that? My guy, you are something special. Blunt Brothers Production, I salute you. Wow, he's doing his monkey flips. Okay, I see where he's gonna go. He wants to get out of here. Oh, no he doesn't. Oh. The gum is gone. Turn it off. Smart. Kong, or shall I say, Monkey is so smart. That was a smart move.
You still want to stay here?
No, you're right. This place sucks.
Uh-oh. Oh no. There's still a little bit left. It diluted into Kong. Meanwhile, Predator? Ooh! Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. That was one insane special episode released just for us. That is amazing. Blunt Brothers production seems to be getting better and better. I definitely want to see more of this. Godzilla turning into Venom Carnage Zilla? Ooh, it's game over. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I hope to see you soon.